Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to connect Pixelverse to OKX, a crucial step for anyone involved in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Let's dive right in. Pixelverse is a platform that offers various rewards and benefits. While OKX is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, connecting these two can unlock exclusive opportunities such as earning coins and participating in promotions. To connect your OKX wallet to Pixelverse, start by opening the Pixelverse app or dashboard. Navigate to the rewards section where you will find an option to connect your OKX wallet. Click on this option and follow the prompts to link your wallet. You might need to enter your OKX wallet address or use a QR code for verification. If we encounter any issue during the connection process, ensure that your OKX wallet is properly set up and that you're using the Connect network setting. Also, make sure you have the latest version of the Pixelverse app. By connecting your OKX wallet to Pixelverse, you can access a range of benefits, including earning coins and participating in exclusive promotion. This integration is a great way to enhance your cryptocurrency experiences and maximizing your rewards. Thanks for watching. If you had any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related content.